What's up, Hamilton? I'm here with your Tiger Cats, Jagera Davis and Delvin Breaux. And this is Taste Buds.
There you go, my dog.
Bring something good, no squid or nothing like that, nothing crazy.
This is actually one of my favorite meals.
What we eating?
I don't even know, bro.
There's definitely nothing we have at the crib. You ever had tofu before?
Why y'all do that? Give me something good.
A little more solid than no tofu.
What is good? It's something coffee.
Something what?
Coffee? Something coffee?
You say coffee?
Yeah. You know a coffee biscuit or something?
He said coffee biscuit.
Pig feet.
It was pig feet, you got it.
Pig feet, yeah.
No, it's not no pig feet, boy. You know it ain't no pig feet.
Casual skip the dishes pig feet order. It was a pierogi.
What is that? Never had one, never saw what a pierogi was.
In my crib, I eat a lot of pierogies.
Let's see what we got.
Bro, you sound a tad bit too happy to be doing this at the moment.
It's that fire right here.
How do you?
Yeah, I really put pecan sauce on the churro.
Yeah. We won't do that next time.
Oh! All right, you ready, big son?
I am not. I don't like the way y'all corroborating over here.
What do you think it is? Okay, you're backwards. I'm facing the other way. Okay.
My taste buds gonna hate me.
We're actually tied, and it's going into overtime.
Hey, look here. It's going overtime. You put the blindfold on. Yeah. You will be just fine.
That was terrifying.
I'll make sure it's all over there.
Oh my God.
Try again.
I can't breathe.
Come on. I had to take 2 bites.
Coming in hot.
I'm gonna pass out. Wasabi sushi. Coffee. Avocado sushi roll.
There it is.
You eat that much wasabi?
I did my taste testing for today.
You need to try it. Just try it.
I smell it.
I'm the taste buds loser.
As always.
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna see a lot of that come game day.
Oh, yeah.
I'll cheer really loud. You'll be like, who's that crazy person?